हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज हम देखेंगे व्हाट मेक्स अ गुड पेनेट्रेशन टेस्ट एंड व्हाट आर द पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स एंड लोकेशंस। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। कंसीडर द फॉलोइंग 6 फैक्टर टू परफॉर्म अ गुड पेनेट्रेशन टेस्ट। First point is establish the parameter for the penetration test such as objective limitations and justification of procedure. The establishment of these parameters helps you know the purpose of conducting penetration test. Second point, hire skilled and experienced professional to perform the test. If the penetration test is not done by the skilled and experienced professional, there are chance of damaging the live data and harm can happen than the benefits. Next, third point is choose a suitable set of tests that balances cost and benefits. Next point is follow a methodology with proper planning and documentation. It is very important to document the test at each phase for the further references. Next point is fifth, document the result carefully and making it compressible for the client. Next point is state the potential risk and finding clearly in the final report. तो ये है गुड पेनेट्रेशन टेस्ट। अभी देखते हैं पेनेट्रेशन टेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स एंड लोकेशन। फर्स्ट देखेंगे टेस्टिंग पॉइंट्स। Every penetration test will have a start and end point, irrespective of whether it is zero knowledge or a partial knowledge test. How does a pen test team or organize determine this? While providing a penetration testing team with information such as exact configuration of the firewall used by the target network may speed up the testing. It can work negatively by providing the tester with an unrealistic advantage. Okay, if the objective of penetration effort is find as much vulnerability as possible, it might be a good idea opt for white box testing and share as much information as possible with the tester. This can help the detecting hide vulnerabilities that are often undetected because of obscurity. On the other hand, if the purpose of penetration test is evaluate the effectiveness of the security posture of the organization, irrespective of any security by obscurity, measures holding information will derive more realistic result. Similar by making highly sensitive information such as the name and user ID of the system administrators, the organization may defecting the purpose of a comprehensive pen test. Therefore, balance must be reached between assisting the testing team in conducting their test faster and providing a more realistic testing environment by restricting information. Some organization may choose to get a initial pen test audited by a second pen test team so that there is a third party assurance on the result obtained. तो ये है टेस्टिंग पॉइंट। नेक्स्ट अभी देखते हैं टेस्टिंग लोकेशंस। द पेनेट्रेशन टेस्ट टीम में हैव अ प्रेफरेंस ऑन द लोकेशन फ्रॉम वेयर दे वुड प्रोब द नेटवर्क. Alternatively, the organization may want the network to be accessed from the remote location. If the pen test team is based overseas, on-site assessment may be expensive than a remote one. The location of assessment has influence on the test result. Testing over internet may provide a more realistic test environment. However, the pen test team may learn little. There is a well configured perimeter firewall and robust web application defense. A purely external assessment may not able to test any additional inner network defenses put in place to guard against an internal intruder. Sometimes the organization may have a network is dispersed geographical across location and that contains several systems. In this case, organization may choose to prioritize location or the team may choose location depending on critical application. If a complete knowledge test is been undertaken, the pen test team can undertake an asset audit to determine which systems are critical to the business and plan the test accordingly. So यह है टेस्टिंग लोकेशन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.